How to create event. Tap on Organizer. Tap on New Event. Enter your event details. Tap the upload icon here to upload your event flyer. After selecting your event flyer, scroll down, enter the event name. Scroll down, type in here a description of the event. Scroll down, enter the start time and date of the event. Tap on the forward arrow here to move to the coming months. Tap on the back arrow here to move to previous months. After selecting the month and the year, tap on the number here to select the date. Tap OK. Tap here to select the time. AM or PM. I'll select PM. Tap OK. Under the end date and time section, tap here to select the end date. Our event is ending on the 28th of August, since it's starting on the 27th of August. Tap OK. Tap on the time if you want to select end time. We'll leave it as that and tap OK. We've selected a start date and time and also selected end date and time. Enter the address of the event organizer. Scroll down. Enter address 2 just in case you have another address, but it's optional. Enter the city where you are. Enter the region. Scroll down, choose your event category. What type of event are you organizing? You can drag to see other options. If it's an award show, business and seminar, competition, concert, festival, food and drinks, etc. Our event is a festival, so we choose festival. Scroll down, choose the text color that will be on your online ticket, whether it's white or black. We'll choose white. Choose the background color of your ticket. Select the color that you want by tapping on the color. Tap here to select that color. Tap here to view sample ticket. Tap on the X to go back. Go over the information and make sure everything is correct. After that, tap on Create Event. You will receive a notification that your event has been created. You can now create tickets for this event in your event dashboard. Tap on Go to Event.